tryna hold you close to me like the bag. Chanel, Chanel.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shanelle Janai. We're back with another video. In today's video, it's Friday around 11 a.m. No, it's about to be 10 a.m. right now. We're gonna get some cleaning done today, so it's gonna be one of them videos. And fun fact, a lot of people used to like when I did cleaning videos on Instagram. I did a lot of time-lapse videos cleaning, and a lot of people really liked those and found them satisfying. So we're going to tap into that today. One of my friends, she's coming over, and I'm going to do a quick install on her. So I need to clean up for that reason right now. The living room is not totally a mess, but we need to do some things to it. Like, the couch gets messy a lot of times because our coats and clothes get thrown around. It's not that bad in here. I just like to clear off the counters, clear off the tables, clear off the counters. Not that much going on, but I'm gonna get it together, make it look good, make it smell good, and also take care of the guest bathroom. Those are the two rooms that I'm concerned with right now, and I have about an hour or so to do it. So after that, me and 10 10 has guests coming later on today. So I do end up having to clean up the whole house. But for now, with this hour, I need to focus on those two rooms, the guest bathroom and the living room. By the time his guest comes, I'm going to have to do the whole house today because he's never been here before. And I don't play that. Here she go. Here she go. What time? See? I'm leaving my house in 30 minutes. But anyway, y'all, let me get into this real quick. I'm going to do a little quick time lapse. This time lapse is going to be like real time. I'm going to be doing it just as fast as this time lapse. Let's get it. Next thing I want to do real quick is handle the guest bathroom. It's 10:30, so I did all of that in 30 minutes. The bathroom won't need much time. Just a couple things I want to do in here so I'm not embarrassed. But let's get it. So my friend should be pulling up like any second now. She told me that she was a few minutes away. Hush! Swiney girl. But anyway, so yeah, bathroom clean, living room clean. I'm very happy. It's 11:20, so it took me an hour and 20 minutes pretty much. And because when I clean, I clean. I don't just do light cleaning. I don't know how to do that. I do everything, like all the crooks and crannies of it all. Anyway, so yeah, now I'm just gonna like set up a little area pretty much. I usually just put all the hair tools here that I need, set up a little shop in here, get the music or the TV going, and get to doing the hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I may do a video of me doing the install. I don't know if that'll be a part of this vlog or the next vlog, but we'll see. We just trying to figure out if this is done or not because
we hungry.
it just smells so good. Oh my god, he got the celery and the Let me ask him how much longer. So now I'm done with that. My friend is gone. I won't eat my leftovers. I forgot I had this. If you know, you know. Got my leftover food from when we went to Longhorn yesterday. How much they have to achieve in order to get there. Asian students on average have to score 50 points higher than a black student in order to get into the same university. So if you think of the universities that have courses, etc., that grade on a curve, you can only have so many people with an A, so many people with a B, etc. So that means that the bottom percentile is one.
My sis does it for me every time. Do y'all see the layers? It's even better than the first time we installed this.
Period. So basically, I have a couple of companies that I'm working with right now that are sending me, in the works of sending me clothes to do videos for. And I will say, like, this year, 2024, has been the main year, like, that I'm actually diving into this whole part of being in the content creating space or influencing space where, like, companies are reaching out to me and wanting to work with me and sending me items. So that's cool. Thank y'all for tuning in to another episode of Vlogmas. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later with another video.
Her name's Shanelle, and she keeps my strap in her Chanel.